So you guys want to know how to make items move within Premiere. It is pretty simple, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it in like 3 minutes. Let's get into this. What's going on, guys? Cam here, back again for another video for you all today. So this is going to be the first video in this series. Today we're actually going to be showing you guys how to make things move within Premiere. So you guys might be asking yourself, what do you mean by making things move within Premiere? Well, today we're basically going to be showing you guys how you guys can bring in lower thirds, how to make your lower thirds look cooler and smoother and stuff using Premiere Pro CC. So me myself, I have about 10 years of experience on Premiere Pro. I know that I only look like I'm 20, but like, yeah, this is the editing software that I almost started on. I went from Camtasia, I used that for 2 years, and then I switched to Sony Vegas, which I used for a year, and then I switched to this when I was in like grade 7, and like it's in like 9 years now, so tons of experience with this. I know how to use it better than most people, and I want to share it with you guys and teach you guys how to use it better. So we have these clips here, as you can see. We're gonna actually, I usually use my second monitor for the video preview menu, but as you can see here, we have these clips here of these ducks swimming in the water, and it's just a clean shot. But we want to show off our Instagram in this, okay? So basically I'm gonna have all of these lower thirds down below in the description of this video if you guys would like to download them. So for example, we want to recommend our Instagram. And yes, you can easily go as to effects, transitions, and you can use like these ones, like film dissolve, looks pretty good. But like, if you actually manually do it, it looks like 10 times better, because you can actually just go ahead and download swoosh sound effects and different sound effects off of YouTube itself. For example, we're going to show you guys with one of my swoosh sound effects. We're going to use the common swoosh sound effect. We're going to drag it in. What I like to do is when I'm working with sound effects, I like to make sure that they're all nothing but sound in them, because they leave white blank spots and stuff like that, and you don't want to have those playing in the video. And you always want to have the original file playing on the first file, and then the middle one I like to use for sound effects, and then the bottom one I like to use for songs. Sometimes I like to switch them up. It depends on how many sound effects I'm using. But if I'm doing transitions, I like to use them second. So as you can play through it here, you can hear the sound effect. It's a nice little swoosh sound effect. It's not bad. I'm gonna pause my music. Why is my music playing? So there it is. So how we're gonna make this work is what I like to do is go to the end of it, and the end of it is basically where your video or where your picture is gonna be a perfect point. It's gonna be fully positioned, it's gonna be fully scaled, and you know that's gonna be the point that you want it to be fully in. Because like right here is just the outro of the sound, and you want just to have the video and picture in by that point. So you're probably like, yeah, Cam, perfect. We have that point here, but what do I do now? Drag this clip all the way to the start here, and you guys can pull this number 960 all the way to the left. What that will do is it will bring it off the screen, and as easy as that, guys, within 2 seconds, it already has like that nice little clean flick in. And you guys can actually like make it look even cooler by like going to like this point, and bringing it even more over, maybe, and it will like jump, and it has like a cleaner look to it, like that. And then for like an outro to it, we'll put like the sick bass, for example. And we'll put that like right at the end of the clip that we're trying to edit here. And basically how we do this one now is we just do it reverse. We click on the position here. What it does is it makes an animation keyframe, and then you want to go to where you want it to be disappeared, so which is about right here. And we would make another keyframe by clicking on this dot here, dragging this up a bit, and then we would just scale this over to the left again, or just scale it down by clicking on this one and dragging that down. It all really depends where you want the logos to go. So you have that now. So you have the fly in and then the fly out. But say you want your subscribe button to enlarge. So you have a subscribe button like this. You guys can just go ahead and take it, scale it to the size that you want it basically. So I want it to be like that size, and I want it to be right here at the bottom of the screen. So I use my numbers to drag because it's a lot cleaner and a lot easier than dragging it yourself. So what I would normally do is I would go and I want it positioned right about, I don't like it here because you can see the black. I'm gonna go up a bit. So like here, And I would normally put these only if you could see me in this frame here, but I'm just showing you guys for this video's sake. We're gonna drag this here because this is where I want it to start. We're gonna play, we're gonna pause, grab the common swoosh sound effect. Actually, we're gonna go for the reverse swoosh, and we're gonna put that there. And what we will do now is we will go to the end of the sound, and we're gonna go to the scale, click on that, and what that does is it will set the keyframe for the scale, go back to the start of your sound where you want it to start. So like right about here, and scale it all the way down to 0. And now, as easy as that, that's in, as well as that little zip from nothing. And you guys can either have it fly out by just clicking on the right picture there, click on this keyframe, by clicking that button there, and then dragging up a bit or moving a couple frames over. And then if you want it to position out again, so you just drag that down. And now we have a little quick tutorial on how to put in your lower thirds as well as your subscribe button, and it'll zoom in, zoom out, and all that different stuff. You guys see this done on Jake Paul's videos, on every big YouTuber's channel. Basically, this is a little, it's really common when it comes to YouTubers, but it just makes everything look cleaner and look more professional and bring you guys in more subs and more stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been Cam. I'm gonna be posting daily Premiere tips and tutorials and stuff, teaching you guys how to become better at Premiere. I've been doing it for 10 years, so if you guys wanna learn from me and you guys liked this video, drop a like on it, subscribe. I post every single day. It's free quality content. With that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next video, but until then, peace out.